चलना है।
Assalamu alaikum. This is class P9. Our subject is chemistry. Unit number is 1, fundamentals of chemistry. And today our topic is types of molecules. First of all, we will learn what is molecule. In the previous lecture, we have learned that atoms cannot exist independently. They have to combine to complete their stability. So when the atoms combine through chemical combinations, a molecule is formed. It is the smallest unit of any substance. For example, if we have a building made of bricks, then brick will be the smallest unit of that building. Similarly, a molecule is smallest unit of that substance, and it shows all the properties of that substance. For example, what is the chemical composition of that substance, how can it react, and what are its features. A single molecule can show all the properties of that substance, and it can exist independently. In the previous lectures, we have learned that atoms and ions cannot exist independently, but a molecule can exist independently. So we will next is what are the types of molecules. The molecules are made up of atoms, so depending upon the number and types of atoms, how many quantity of atoms is present in a molecule and which kinds of atoms are present in a molecule, there are different types of molecules. The first one is monoatomic molecules. As the name indicates, the word mono means one. So the monoatomic molecules are the molecule consisting of only one atom. The word mono mean one, so these consist of only one atoms. For example, inert gases. The word inert means non-reactive, means that they do not react with any other elements and they can exist independently. The example of inert gases or monoatomic molecules are helium, neon and argon. So similarly, we have the other types of molecule, diatomic molecule. The word di means two. So the name indicates these are the molecules consisting of two atoms. For example, hydrogen, oxygen and chlorine. These molecules consist of two atoms. So these are examples of diatomic molecule. Next is triatomic molecule. The word tri means three. So these are the molecules consisting of three atoms. For example, H2O and CO2. In the H2O, we have two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, and in the CO2, we have one atom of carbon and two atom of oxygen. So these are triatomic molecules. Similarly, we have next type polyatomic molecule. The word poly means many. So the polyatomic molecules are the molecules consisting of many atoms. For example, H2SO4. In this type, we have two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of sulfur and four atoms of oxygen. So this was all about types of molecules. I hope you must have better understand. Still, if you have any confusion in this lecture, you can contact with me and ask the questions. Thank you.
हवा में उड़ना है, पानियों पे चलना है।